Here at Cérélia, we only use the best quality ingredients for our products. These ingredients are mixed to form a batter prepared in a closed-loop system. The batter is transported to the ovens, where it's carefully injected by our dosing system. All our products are baked by using authentic baking methods. We can produce up to 2 million pancakes and about 4.5 million pancake bites per day. Our products are frozen in a cooling tower to guarantee hygiene and the best possible quality. After cooling, the products are stacked in a high-care packing area. The products are packed and sealed airtight. After sealing, the products are repacked and on their way to you.